So I've just stuck the Tony Leach 21 mils back in, just till I get a new TBT kit. It's had no pellets through it. I've just greased it all back up. I do want it around 730, 740, so let's see what it's settled at. I've fired about 50 pellets, probably. At least it's not making the horrible crunching sound anymore with that rear guide in it. Don't know what happened there. 818, that was just probably a miscalculation by the 719. Like I say, it does want a load of pellets through it just to settle it back down. It's just been re-greased and everything, so like I say, I think it's going to settle at around 730, 735. That is a little high, but I think I just knocked the chrono then. One more and that's it. One more then, because it started to creep up a little bit, which I didn't want it to. That's way too high at 747. That's way off, way too much. I mean, it's about there. Like I say, I think this will settle to about 10, about 10 and 10 summit. But, well, as you can see, it's gone up a little bit. I put it back in the original stock just to do the testing because I didn't want to put it in the other one. The other one actually is, let me just pause that. I've actually just done the stock with True Oil. I've had about 10 coats on it so far. I'm going to knock this one back today. It's a Sheffield stock, by the way. And there's the Super 10 one drying as well. And the TX.